Good afternoon, everyone. Please all sit in a prayerful posture. I want each and every child to sit in a prayerful posture. Sit in a prayerful posture. Shivani, on your video. Every child video has to be on. Don't keep it off. All sit in a prayerful posture. I want every child to sit in a prayerful posture, beta, so that we can start the prayer. Keep hands on your lap, close your eyes, and get ready for the prayer. I am waiting for the participants to join. Please join faster. Very good, everyone. All sitting in a prayerful posture. Dear God, we thank and praise you for giving this beautiful day. Make us aware of what is taught today so that we can learn and understand it in an easy way. Thank you, God, for keeping us safe from all harm and danger. We ask this prayer in your love's sake. Now all will say the universal prayer, bache. Our Father in heaven, okay, start. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom comes, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Now, dear students, we have you are able to see the screen. I have put the new topic there, advantages. Previous class you have done what is friction, what is rolling friction, what is static friction we have done. Now we will do what are the advantages of friction. After advantages we will do what are the disadvantages of friction. So I will unmute one of the participant here so that you are able to say what is on the screen. Asma, bache faster unmute yourself. Nobody will raise hand, Kushi. All will get chance one by one, beta. Okay, Asma. Aditi Singh, faster. Aditi Singh. Asma and Aditi Singh. Asma is unmuted. Aditi is also unmuted. Okay. Akansha, you also unmute. Faster, Akansha. Fast, I have given you permission. Okay. Okay. Asma, Aditi, you have unmuted yourself. No disturbance, bache. Disturbance should not be there. Florence, your father name is coming. You also unmute yourself. Unmute faster. No disturbance, girls. Asma, from your side, disturbance is coming. So today we'll start with the advantages. Asma, read. What is the first sentence written there in the advantages?
Friction plays a vital role in life.
Vital.
Without friction, almost nothing could be done.
Bache, friction plays a vital role, not vital. Vital means very important role on in the life where the living organisms are living on earth. So without friction, almost nothing could be done. You know, when we go to space or you see some movies in the space, what happened? They're floating because friction and the gravity is not there. Okay, fine. Aditi, you start with the first point.
Yes, ma'am. It is difficult to walk on a slippery road due to low friction. When a person moves on ice, it becomes difficult to walk due to low friction of ice with the shoe. The
Yes.
friction between the sole of a shoe and a surface of the ground prevent us from slipping.
The friction, when there is a friction between the sole of the shoe and the ground, then we are not able to slip. You know, when the smooth surfaces are there, we slip. And when the surface is rough, we are not able to slip. Manasvi, what are you saying, bache? You are saying something? Okay. Florence?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain me what is the first point Aditi has read from the screen? What is the meaning of that point?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, bache. Faster. When somebody is reading, you have to listen carefully what she is reading, because you know all have to stay at home only. Now you have to study from home. You have to become smart because you have to give the board exam. Say faster, beta.
Ma'am, in this sentence, we can understand that on slippery road, there is low friction. Due to low friction, we can slip on that road, and if the friction between our shoe sole and ground friction of the surface is low, we can slip on the surface
Understood that
due to low friction.
Okay, bacha. Okay. Akriti Singh, unmute yourself. Akriti Singh, faster, bache. Kansha also did not unmute it. Kansha, you have to unmute yourself. I've given you permission. Akriti also, I gave the permission. If you will not unmute, how we will go further? People are becoming so lazy. Aradhana, unmute yourself. Achesha, unmute yourself. Faster, faster. Achesha, unmute yourself. Aradhana, I don't know where she disappeared. Achesha, faster. Ayushi Sambyal. Ayushi, faster. Ira, unmute.
Yes.
Who is there, bache? Say your
Ma'am,
name.
Ayushi.
Okay, fine, beta. I don't know why Kansha and other the two girls, they are not unmuting. Radhana and Archesha, I don't know. Radhana, faster, bache, unmute yourself. Okay, Ayushi, you read that after
Yes.
reading what is written to improve. What is written there?
Ma'am, to improve the friction, it is advisable to wear shoes with rough soles while walking on slippery floors.
Yes, they are saying if you want to walk comfortably on the floor, your surface of the shoe has to be rough. Okay, fine. Read now for a simple reason. Read from here.
For a similar reason, the crutches are provided with rubber tips on their underside to provide sufficient friction.
Yes, sometimes you see on your shoe down, you see zigzag or rubber type thing is there, or sometimes rough surface is made under your shoe so that you are able to walk comfortably. Fine, Ayushi. Thank you very much. Harshita, unmute yourself. Harshita, faster, beta. This class is becoming lazy. I don't know why they are not unmuting. I'm keeping the record of the names. Deepika, unmute yourself. Deepika, yes. Okay. Okay, Deepika. Read the second point. Read the second point. Gunleen, I'll give you time afterwards because I gave you time turn in the previous class. Gurkirat, Gori, I will give you time last afterwards. Just wait. Gurkirat, unmute yourself. Faster, I've given you permission.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this one, Deepika. Are you there, beta? Deepika. Okay, Gurleen, unmute yourself. Gurleen, unmute yourself. Who has unmuted? Please say your name.
Ma'am, Gurleen.
Okay, beta. Read the second point from the screen.
By the time meteorologists found that friction decreases surface wind speeds, make them less violent.
Volatile. Volatile means by the time meteorologists, who are the meteorologists who are telling us about something happening on the surroundings? They found that friction decreases surface wind speeds, because if friction is there, it decreases the speed of the wind. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and making the thing volatile means
Yes,
in
ma'am.
one place only. They will not blow with, like you have seen the hardness of the big trees. So if they are very hard and they are attracted towards the ground or in the soil, they are kept properly, they will not fall down. Na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read this friction also. Read from here, Gurleen.
Friction also encourages surface air masses to merge and rise, which helps the rain cycle. Rugged, ma'am, rugged terrain, trees and buildings
Spelling,
create
beta,
friction
because I
that
can't
acts
see
on
the
wind
participants on the
speed.
screen. Say that spelling which you pronounce that word, na? Say that spelling. Because on that my
Ma'am,
participant
rugged terrain.
spelling which is spelling. Or what is written?
Ma'am, RUGGED
1 minute.
TE.
RUGGED. RUGGED.
Yes, ma'am.
Rugged. Rugged means rough surface. Okay, trees and building create friction that acts on wind speed. If the surface is rough, then the things will not be fallen down, because they have the ability to, like we say, give the example of roots. Now roots, what the roots do? They hold the plant firmly in the ground. That's why the trees are not fallen down. Okay, fine. Harmandeep, unmute yourself. Girls, I'm giving you permission. 8
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Harnoor, you also. Harnoor, I've given you permission. Unmute. Okay. Harmandeep, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Noor, are you there? Have you unmuted yourself, Harnoor? Where she has gone, disappeared. Okay, Jasleen, unmute yourself. Jasleen,
Yes,
go.
ma'am.
Harmandeep, you read the third point, beta.
The friction between the feet of the animals and the ground makes it easier to run and walk. In fact, without friction, the animals would have difficulty standing.
That means if friction is there, then only you have known about the speed of the tiger, cheetah. It runs very fast. Why? Because the friction between their foot and the ground is there. That's why they are able to. But then what happened? They are able to run or walk smoothly.
Run. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And one more example we can give about the pulley which is present on the wheels of the wells. You know, when we have to pull out water, what happens? Khushi, unmute yourself, beta. Khushi, unmute yourself faster. I've given you permission.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta. Now, can you tell me? I gave an example here about the wheel and the pulley, the well. Listening what I am saying, bache? Khushi, are you there? You have muted yourself. I think so by mistake. Unmute yourself. Unmute faster.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what you have to say now, I'm giving you one example of the well, and on the well the wheel is there, on the wheel the pulley is there, that rope is there, round wheel is there, so that the person has to take out water from the well. Now can you tell me that particular wheel and the rope on that will be rough or smooth? The surface will be rough, na beta? Why the surface will be rough? Okay, wait a minute. Krishjot, unmute yourself. Krishjot.
Yes, ma'am.
Why the surface of the rope will be rough? That pulley is there and we are pulling water from the well. So why that surface will be rough?
Ma'am, so that there could be friction between
Yes,
the
there
rope and the
and we are easily able to pull the rope and
pull out the
from the
rope.
well. Very good. Very good. Khushi, you understood what she said?
Yes, ma'am.
The surface has to be rough. That only we are studying now. Harnoor, unmute yourself, beta, faster. Before and also I told you. You are not listening to me. Krishnika, unmute yourself, beta. I've given you permission. One minute, I'll mute all. Then I will, participants, I'll tell to unmute because you're creating disturbance. 1 minute. Lavanya, unmute yourself. I've given you permission, Lavanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Madiha, unmute yourself. Madiha, unmute faster.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Whom I have unmuted first? Who is the first participant? Before Madiha?
Lavanya.
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 Lavanya. Now listen. I will tell you one example and you tell me what will happen in that. The brake ladders used in the braking system of the cars. The brake ladders used in the braking system of the cars. What they will have? They will have smooth surface or rough surface. Only one point will be repeated again and again, beta. They will have rough surfaces. Now, when you are holding the, if you are driving a scooty and the handle you are holding, on that handle you see your parents have put the cover, which is little bit rough. Can you tell me why it is rough, Lavanya? क्यों rough होगा ना? Simple बताओ. This one, Madiha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why the handle of the scooty will that whatever cover you have put on that is rough? Why it is rough? So that our
Ma'am,
hand,
so that your hand does not move.
so that when we are driving, our hand should not slip. If it will slip, we will not have
Yes, ma'am.
able to have control on the scooty. Okay, fine. Okay, Mehak, unmute yourself. Mehak has disappeared. 1 minute. 1 minute, Mehak. Just wait. M-E. Yes. Mehak, unmute yourself. Unmute faster. Mehak will not listen. I don't know what she's doing. Unmute faster. Mavish, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Mavish. Mavish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who's there? Mavish. Mehak, I don't know why she's not unmuting. I have given permission to Mehak. Okay. Now you are having one example of screw and the nails. You know what is screw and nail? You
Yes,
know.
ma'am.
Yeah. What will
Yes,
happen?
ma'am.
What will happen when we have to put the nail? Which side we are trying to put inside, and from where we are using the hammer? Which side we are using the hammer? Smooth side, rough side?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, rough side.
Yes, you see on the tip of the nail, you see the rough zigzag design is made. Why it is made? So that we can put the hammer on it and we can put the nail in the wood or whatever part we want. So the force of friction, it holds the screw and nail. When we want to put in the wood, we want to put in the wall. Okay, fine. Harshmeet, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you give me any one example advantage of friction?
Ma'am, the friction between the tire of a car
Yes.
and the road.
Yes, very good. You know, if the tire is not proper or
Ma'am, if the tire is not rough, there would
Huh.
not be friction
Yes.
between the road and the tire.
if the tire is not working properly, you know, your parent will come to know who is ever is driving that the car is not working properly. Some problem is there in that car. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Fine, 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Give me. Now I have shared the screen. Zubia, unmute yourself. Zubia, Malik, unmute yourself. Faster, bachche, fast. Zubia, faster, unmute yourself. So lazy girls are in my class. I don't know what is happening.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, faster, beta. Screen, you have to just click on mute, unmute. Samreen, unmute yourself, bache.
Ma'am, I was not able to unmute myself.
Okay, I've given you permission, bache. Now, Samreen also. Samreen, once again. Do it once again. Once again, click. Okay, fine. Zubia, what sentence?
Can you repeat again?
I am saying you are able to see the disadvantages of friction. Please read the
Yes,
first
ma'am.
sentence. Although friction. Read from here.
Although friction is very important in everyday life, it also has some disadvantages like, ma'am, can I read?
Yes, first point. Read, please.
The main disadvantage of friction is that it produced heat in various parts of the machines. In this way, useful energy is expanded as a loss in thermal energy.
So what they are
For
saying, when we
example,
are doing work with the machine and friction is there, some of the energy is lost. Like we are not using whatever energy are giving, whole energy is not used. Some of the energy is wasted. So for example, Samreen, you are speaking in between, bache. Zubia, read now.
For example, car engines becomes warmer due to friction. This could overheat and
Damage them. So car engines, like you know, sometime when you are going in the hilly area and continuously the parents are driving the car, what happens? The engine gets warmer. So we have to wait and put the water inside it. So it becomes overheated and damage it. This is the disadvantage of friction. Okay, Samreen, you say the second point. Due to friction.
Due to friction, you have to exert more power in the machines to overcome the losses.
Yes, when we have to do work on the machine, you know, whatever simple machines we are having at home also, we exert more pressure on that so that our work gets finished faster. Okay, good. Happy to hear your voice. 1 minute. Sumaya, unmute yourself. Green and Subia, mute yourself, bache. Disturbance is coming from Samreen side. Okay, Sumaya, are you able to hear me? Sumaya, please speak. You have unmuted yourself. Say now. Manasvi, unmute yourself. Manasvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Read the third point from the screen. Opposes the motion.
Opposes the motion, that is,
Counteracts.
counteracts the movement, so it takes more energy to move.
Yes, opposite to
Ma'am,
motion, when something is in rest or movement, when the objects are moving, it takes more energy to move. Yes, when object has to be moved, we have to use more energy. Where the thing is moving, we have to use more energy in that. Yes, very good. Read the
Ma'am,
next
fourth
point.
point also.
Read fourth point.
Due to friction, noise occurs in machines.
Okay, due to friction, you know, if you are having floor mill in your place or any other machine is there, what happens to that machine? You can hear the sounds of that machine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. 1 minute. Sonam Chaudhary, unmute yourself. Sonam Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Say beta this point, fifth point. By friction.
By friction, the engines of
Engine.
cars consume more fuel, which causes a loss of money.
Yes, by friction, when there is a contact between the road and the tires are there and we are using the engines of the car, so more fuel is used. Without petrol, the vehicle will not move and it will cause a loss of money. Money will be lost. Okay, fine. Riddhima, unmute yourself. Others, please mute yourself as soon as your turn gets over. Riddhima, unmute yourself. So lazy people are there now. I'm keeping their names with me. Okay, Punika, unmute yourself. Punika Kumari. Unmute faster. Punika? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hear your voice. Okay, Swati Sharma, unmute yourself. Punika, you wait a second. Swati Sharma, unmute yourself. I've given you permission.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute now. Okay, fine. Okay, Punika, please see the sixth point. Read the 6 points from
Ma'am, the efficiency of a machine decrease since
who is speaking,
my screen is not coming.
because you some disturbance is there. Okay, now say 6 points. Say beta.
Ma'am, the efficiency of a machine decrease since part of the energy input loses in heat by friction.
Yes, due to friction, when the particular parts are not working properly, so what will happen? The efficiency of machine will decrease. वो काम करना कम कर देगी ना? Okay, read next one, Punika. Then after that, Swati will read the forest fires. Read from here, Punika.
Forest fires are due to friction between the branches of a tree.
Yes, sometimes the trees get rubbed with one another, and on its own, the fire takes place. Okay, Swati, 8 point, please read.
Extra friction makes it
Now,
difficult to
keep your
move
mouth in
and
front of the mic. Keep your mouth in
Extra
front of the mic.
extra friction makes it difficult to move an object, such as sliding a box across the ground or walking in deep snow.
Arshdeep is sending the message, not able to attend, bache. You just leave the class and then again join. Okay, now I will stop sharing my screen. Advantages and disadvantages, we have done a lot. Now what we will do is, I'll come to the whiteboard. I'll come to the whiteboard and just give me a second. Whiteboard will come in a second. Okay, now girls, what we will do is, just 1 minute. Now, one question is, state one way of increasing the friction between two surfaces. What is the one way of increasing the friction between two surfaces? Sonali Sharma, unmute yourself, beta. Sonali Sharma, unmute yourself. Faster, beta, I've given you permission. Suhani Sharma, unmute yourself. Suhani, faster. Yes. Suhani, are you there? Yes. Shania, you also unmute yourself. Shivangi, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Just wait a second. Shivangi, you also given permission to unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First part, Suhani, I think so. Suhani,
Yes, ma'am.
one way of increasing the friction between two surfaces. How we can increase the friction between two surfaces?
Ma'am, by
What I told you, and friction has to be there. What type of surface we will have?
ma'am, rough surface.
Yes. So we'll write by making, M-A-K-I-N-G, making the S-U-R-F-A-C-E, surface, R-O-U-H, rough. So please come, please open your book on page number 182, all of you, and test yourself. First question I have asked. State one way of increasing the surface, the friction between two surfaces. Answer is by making the surface rough. What is the answer, Suhani? Please repeat again. By making?
Making the surface rough.
Yes. Okay, after Suhani, whom I have unmuted? Shranya, you did not unmute yourself, beta. You unmuted and again you have muted yourself. Shranya. Shivangi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shivangi. Next question is, name 4 ways by which friction can be reduced between two surfaces in contact. You have to make that friction little less. So how you can make it less?
Mama, I am not able to listen clearly.
Okay, bache, I will write the points here. Then you say that points. Fine. I will write by S-T-R-E-A-M, stream, L-I-N-I-N-G, by streamlining. Okay, and next line I will write by P-O-L-I-S-H-I-N-G, polishing. Okay. By 1 minute, just 1 minute, bacha. Nobody will leave the class in between. I want full attendance in the class. By polishing, I have written by lubricants. Lubricant. Lubricants. Next, last point is by USING. 1 minute. Using WHEELS. Wheels. Shivangi, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the first point, then I'll explain you what it means. By, what is written?
Ma'am, by streamlining,
Streamlining. Now listen.
by pol-
Listen, bacha. The 4 ways by friction can be reduced between two surfaces is by streamlining. You have seen the boats in the water. Ships you have seen. Their body is pointed from both the sides. Even the body of the fish is also pointed to reduce friction. So that is known as streamlining. Understood, Shivangi?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of streamlining?
Ma'am, that the surface of body,
Ah,
but in water it reduces.
yes, to reduce friction, particular shape is given to the object so that both the parts of the corner are pointed. To reduce friction, others will not. So, Ashmi,
Yes,
Shania,
ma'am.
बच्चे, why voice is coming from your side?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Now, next point, Shania, by what is written? By Shania, where you disappear?
by polishing.
Yes, now you know. Whenever you are having your windows or doors, you polish them. Why polish them? So that it should not, they do not get rusted. Because that microorganism will attack on that. Okay? Because when they come, the iron object will come in contact with air. So what will happen? They will get rusted. So we are polishing the surfaces. Even the bicycle which you are driving, in that also you have seen. They are polishing it. So that fine. Tanya, read the third point. What is written?
Ma'am, by lubricant.
Lubricants. Lubricant means giving oil to the particular machines. Now what is oil? Now you have a sewing machine, simple sewing machine at home. What will happen to that machine? That machine will have a sound, and when you will put oil in that, the machine will work smoothly. So to reduce friction. Archesha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Mute, unmute is not there in Archesha. I don't know what she has done. Harshdeep, I told you to join again, bache. Your mute, unmute is not coming. Nandita, Archesha, I don't know what has happened. Ira, unmute yourself. Ira.
Yes, ma'am.
By using, what is the last point written here? Vandana, Soni.
By using wheels.
1 minute, bache. Just 1 minute. VA. Vandana, Soni, unmute yourself. Vandana,
Yes,
okay. Shivani, you also unmute yourself. Vandana has unmuted. Shivani, you also. Faster. Okay. Whom I have unmuted before Vandana? Who was there? Ira, I think so.
Me. Yes,
Ira,
ma'am.
what is the last point written there by using?
By using wheels.
Yes. Now, do you know when very heavy objects are there and they are having wheels, we can move them very easily. So 4 points are friction can be reduced between two surfaces in contact. Repeat that, bache. Shivandana, are you there?
yes, ma'am.
Say the 4 points. Written there, bache. Say that point. Say faster, na bache. You are able to see the screen, na? Say faster. Say, Vandana. I am able to hear your voice. You say. By streamlining.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vandana.
What you asked me, because there was just a noise here, so I can't hear you what you asked from me.
On the screen, I have shared 4 points of how we can reduce
Yes, ma'am.
between two surfaces in contact. So on the screen, the answer is by streamlining, by polishing. So say that points.
And by streamlining, by polishing, by lubricants, by using wheels.
Very good. Thank you very much. Muskan? Yes. Unmute yourself.
Yes,
Yes, Bache. Now advantage and disadvantages I have shared the screen with you. Now fifth question is, why is friction called a necessary evil? Why it is very important? Evil means something which will, it is important also, but some problem it is creating for others. So why it is necessary evil? Just 1 minute, I will clear this and then we will come to the next topic. Why friction is necessary evil?
ma'am, friction is a necessary evil because sometimes it tells us about its advantages, but sometimes it is very harmful to us. That is, it gives us disadvantages.
Yes. Now what disadvantages are? I am writing on the screen. Friction waste, ENERGY. Read that, Muskan. What is written?
Friction wastes energy.
Yes, sometime when we are using the friction, Akansha, you also unmute yourself. Friction wastes energy. We are using some energy and other energy is wasted. So that is the evil. Okay, Kansha, I will write down next point. So you tell me what it is. Brings, 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 ABOUT, about, WEAR, where, and TEAR, tear. Please read. What is the point given here? Brings. Read faster, Kansha. Kansha Manas, you have.
Ma'am, brings about wear and tear.
That means sometimes things get broken also. Sometimes it gets torn also. So that time also the energy is becoming the evil. Okay, Shivani. Shivani, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Next point. Okay, you read that point. Slows. DOWN. 1 minute. Slows. Slows down. MOTION. Read the point. Third point.
Slows down motion.
Yes, slows down the motion. So these are the necessary evil, the things which are not good in the friction. Can anybody tell me what is lubricant? Shivani, can you tell me what is lubricant? I have explained in the previous one. LUBRICANT. Lubricant. Subaika, unmute yourself. Subaika, unmute faster, bache. Lubricant is the oil, type of oil we are using, na beta. So many have raised their hand.
Ma'am, I was not able to unmute myself before.
Okay, because I have not given you permission. bache. That's why.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, lubricant is the oil that we give to a machine when it is not working properly.
Yes, lubricant is oil. When we have to give it to the machine when the machine is not working properly. Okay, girls, on page number 183, very short questions are given. 1 sentence. That question you have to do on your book. Today I'll send you the answers and you will do the answers in the book itself. 1 sentence you write. Fine, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
unmuting you all. Anybody wants to ask anything? Anybody?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
Understood to all?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Hands are being raised.
Excuse
That-
me,
No,
ma'am, I
ma'am.
have a doubt.
Who is that?
ma'am.
Runjun, you are there?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
mute everyone, then only I can ask you. Just wait a minute. Okay, Runjun. Just 1 minute, Runjun. I'll unmute you. Then only you're able to ask na. 1 minute. RUN. Runjun, unmute yourself. Runjun,
Yes,
unmute.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like we studied that shoes have a grip which is very
Why
rough.
disturbance
So,
is
ma'am,
coming
is
from
it,
your voice? Okay, say now once again, बच्चा. क्या बोल रहे थे?
ma'am, like there is a grip in a shoe and that grip is rough.
So, ma'am, is it necessary that friction will also cause only in rough surfaces, not in smooth?
Yes, friction. Now you imagine if you have thrown water on the smooth surface, what will happen? You try your best to walk with that rough shoes also. You will not able to walk. Why? Because the surface where we are walking, that surface is not rough. That is smooth. Water is thrown there on that surface. I will try my best to also to keep my foot properly also. But I will not able to walk properly now because the surface also has to be rough. The thing which you are using and the in which you are getting in contact, both have to be rough. Understood, bache? Runju?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, only due to irregularity, friction will be caused.
Yes,
Ma'am,
when
like
two
this
surface will come in contact with one another, na? When the two surfaces will come in contact with one another, interlocking will be there, then only this will happen. Okay, bacha? Understood?
Ma'am, is there any other reason?
Most probably irregularities has to be there, surface has to be rough. Then only we can say these are the advantages. But in turn, there are the disadvantages of friction also. You have seen the energy get waste, loss of energy is there. Then there's sometimes the things or machine get broken also when we're using them for such a long time. Okay, this chapter is little bit I can say complicated according to your age, but you have to understand it. If you are learning what I am teaching you every day, then it will become very easy for you. Today you all learn the advantages and disadvantages. Then it will become very easy for you when I'll teach you in the next class. You will think, ma'am, it is very easy because you have understood it, na? Understanding better what I am saying to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bache. Bye, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
God bless you all. Bye and learn properly.